Okay, we have I have finished cleaning out the coop at all levels, and now I am putting down a layer of diatomaceous earth, and next I'm going to put the sand in and do a, a dust bath for them because they like to dust. So I'm going to put in some soil and sand inside the swimming pool so that when they're not in the yard on their little playground, then they can dust in this little swimming pool. So that's what's up next. And I'm basically just going to dump this out, and I will evenly distribute it all over the floor. Okay. And what this is going to do is it's going to absorb their urine, and so kind of contain the smell, and it will clump their feces together so that maybe it won't be as hard to clean the floor the next time. Hopefully that will work. So the next thing I'm going to do is open another sandbag to fill some in the pool and some on their roosting in the roosting area. And I'm going to take this bag in there because the bag is really heavy, so I try to minimize the hurting myself by using my dolly. So I'm going to be using the dolly to take this sand over this barrier and into the coop. So we're going to put some of this sand inside the playground and inside the pool, and then we're going to put some dirt in there. So I'm putting most of the bag here, and then I'm going to put some in their area, their roofing area. Okay, so that was really easy on the back. So if you are working alone, really try to bring on tools, have tools in place that's going to help you get the job done with the least amount of strain. Okay, when we're getting up there in age, we really do have to watch our how we move and lift, and because it's really easy to tear or to pull something. So you want to be very careful if you're out there and you are working alone on this homestead journey. So the next thing I'm going to do is just kind of move that around, and I'll do that with my broom just to mix it in the floor. I want to mix it in on the floor. Give them a sandy floor. I probably could use a whole lot more sand, but I'm trying the floor set level sand for the first time. So, and the goal is to absorb, some of the urine and lessen the smell, because it will help with the smell as well. So we're going to do this and see how that works for us this time. because I really worked hard to get the bottom clean. So we're going to just move it around for a sandy floor. We want a sandy floor so that we can just come in here and your poop will clump in it. So I think I'm going to probably get a few more bags. Just want to see how much I actually need. And for the pool, I'm also going to do the same. And in the pool, I'm going to put soil in here and mix it together. And they will have a nice dust bath. And it's full. It's got diatomaceous earth in it, so if there are mites on them, you know, it'll help to kill off any pests. So my goal is prevention, so I don't have to find myself in a vet trying to take care of some chickens. All right. All right, we did it. So I have one more thing to do, and that's to clean out the nesting box. And I gotta find some wood chips, or not wood chips, but some of my pine chips, if there's any left, to put in their nesting boxes. And that will be it for today. All right, everybody, have a good one.